Hi everyone, samahan niyo po kumain. This is, ito is filet. This is blanched broccoli. And that's our soy sauce dip. Kain tayo! Dinner ko na po yan, dinner. First bite. First, puso. Broccoli. Toyo mansi. And kainin. Up. And this is fish fillet. Fillet. Dip natin sa toyo mansi. Ang sarap.